Most woodworkers think better results come from more effort, but the truth is, the right tools change everything. On AU Techverse, we're about to reveal 20 genius Kreg Tool Company innovations that make your work faster, cleaner, and more precise, and every single one is linked in the description for easy access. Don't skip, because one of these tools could completely transform how you build. Pocket Hole Joiner Kit. You're assembling a cabinet or frame, and aligning joints perfectly can take time and extra clamps. The Pocket Hole Joiner Kit simplifies that process by drilling accurate pocket holes in a single smooth motion, allowing you to create strong joints quickly. Its cordless design makes it easy to move around your workspace, while the compact build improves control in tight areas. The system is designed to reduce setup time and maintain consistency across multiple joints. For building furniture or frames efficiently, it provides a fast and reliable way to achieve clean, strong connections. Cabinet Door Hinge Tool. When you're installing concealed hinges on cabinet doors, even a slight misalignment can affect how the door closes. The Cabinet Door Hinge Tool is designed to drill accurate 35mm holes for European-style hinges with consistent depth and placement. Built-in measuring scales and indexing features help you position each hole correctly without repeated adjustments. The included bit and depth stop ensure clean, repeatable results using a standard drill. In real projects, it removes guesswork and saves time. For clean hinge installation with reliable alignment, it delivers precise and consistent results. Shelf Pin Drilling Jig. When you're installing adjustable shelves, uneven hole spacing can make the entire cabinet feel off. The Shelf Pin Drilling Jig is designed to drill straight, evenly spaced holes with consistent alignment. Hardened steel guides keep the drill bit steady, while the 32ME system ensures compatibility with common cabinet layouts. It includes a drill bit, stop collar, and sample pins, so you can start immediately. In real use, it helps you repeat the same spacing across multiple panels without measuring each time. For accurate and clean shelf installation, it delivers reliable and consistent results. Impact Driver. When you're driving long screws into hardwood or assembling large projects, a regular drill can struggle and slow you down. The Impact Driver is designed to deliver high torque in a compact form, making fastening faster and more controlled. Its variable speed trigger allows you to adjust power based on the task, while multiple speed settings help maintain precision. The Quick Connect chuck makes bit changes easy, and the built-in LED improves visibility in darker areas. In real use, it keeps your workflow efficient. For fast, consistent fastening, it provides reliable power and control. Circular Saw. When you're cutting plywood or framing material, keeping the cut straight and clean can be a challenge with limited visibility. The circular saw is designed to deliver consistent cutting performance with a brushless motor that provides steady power. Its lightweight build makes it easier to control, while the integrated LED helps you follow the cut line accurately. The dust port keeps debris away from the cutting area, improving visibility during use. Built-in safety features support smoother starts and better handling. For clean, controlled cuts in woodworking projects, it offers dependable performance. Universal Track Saw Guide System. When you're trying to cut long straight lines with a standard circular saw, even a small deviation can ruin the piece. The Universal Track Saw Guide System helps eliminate that issue by turning your saw into a guided cutting tool. It uses a sled that holds the saw steady while sliding along a straight track, keeping the cut accurate from start to finish. Anti-slip strips and a starting block keep everything stable during operation. In real use, it improves consistency without complex setups. For straight, splinter-free cuts, it provides a reliable and practical solution. Plunge Cut Track Saw Kit. When you need to start a cut in the middle of a panel, a standard saw makes it difficult to stay accurate. The Plunge Cut Track Saw Kit is designed for that exact situation, allowing you to lower the blade smoothly into the material and begin the cut precisely where needed. The track system keeps the saw aligned for straight results, while the blade left design improves visibility of the cut line. Its cordless build gives you freedom to work anywhere. For controlled, accurate cutting on large panels, it provides a clean and efficient solution. Trim Router. When you're shaping edges or adding fine details, even a small mistake can affect the final finish. The trim router is designed to give you precise control with a compact body that's easy to handle. Its micro-adjustment system allows accurate depth settings, helping you achieve clean and consistent cuts. Dual LED lights improve visibility around the work area, while the quick release base makes bit changes simple. It supports common bit sizes and runs on a cordless system for flexibility. For detailed woodworking and edge finishing, it delivers smooth and controlled results. Self-centering dowel jig. When you're joining two boards, even a slight offset can weaken the joint and affect alignment. The self-centering dowel jig is designed to keep everything perfectly centered during drilling, so both pieces line up accurately. Its clamping mechanism adjusts to different board widths and holds the material firmly in place, while hardened guides help drill straight, clean holes. Clear markings make setup quick and repeatable. In real projects, it reduces guesswork and improves joint strength. For precise dowel joinery, it provides consistent alignment and reliable results. Ionic Drive Barrel Grip Jigsaw. When you're cutting curves or working on detailed shapes, control becomes more important than raw power. The Ionic Drive Barrel Grip Jigsaw is designed with a slim barrel handle that lets you guide the tool closer to the cut line for better precision. Its variable speed motor allows you to adjust cutting performance based on the material, while the integrated blower keeps the line clear of dust. Tool-free blade changes save time during workflow. In real use, it helps you follow tight curves smoothly. For detailed cutting with improved control, it delivers accurate and clean results. Orbit sander. When you're preparing a surface for finishing, uneven sanding marks can ruin the final look. The orbit sander is designed to deliver smooth, consistent results by combining orbital motion with rotation. Its adjustable speed lets you match the sanding intensity to the material, while the dust collection system helps keep your workspace clean. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during longer sessions, making it easier to maintain control. In real projects, it helps you achieve an even surface without swirl marks. For clean finishing and consistent sanding, it provides reliable performance. MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig. When you're building furniture that needs strong hidden joints, traditional methods can be slow and difficult to align. The MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig simplifies that by letting you cut accurate mortises using a standard drill. Built-in clamps hold the workpiece steady, while clear guides and adjustment controls help you set the correct depth and position. It works across a range of board thicknesses, making it flexible for different projects. In real use, it speeds up joinery without sacrificing accuracy. For strong and precise connections, it offers a practical and efficient solution. Kreg VersaGrip Clamp. When you're holding pieces together during assembly, slipping clamps can ruin alignment at the worst moment. The Kreg VersaGrip Clamp is designed to provide strong and controlled clamping force while remaining easy to operate with one hand. The jaws adjust smoothly along the bar, allowing quick setup for different sizes. Its ergonomic handle improves comfort during repeated use, and the quick-release trigger makes repositioning simple. The design also allows it to switch between clamping and spreading when needed. For secure holding and flexible use in woodworking projects, it delivers reliable control. Foreman Pocket Hole Machine. When you're building multiple pieces and need consistent joinery, manual jigs can slow you down. The Foreman Pocket Hole Machine is designed to speed up that process with a benchtop system that drills pocket holes quickly and consistently. The adjustable fence allows you to set the correct depth for different material thicknesses, ensuring clean results every time. Its operation reduces manual effort compared to handheld jigs, making it suitable for repetitive tasks. In real workshop use, it improves efficiency without sacrificing accuracy. For high-volume pocket hole joinery, it provides a fast and dependable solution. Portable Drilling Guide. When you're drilling holes without a drill press, keeping the angle perfectly straight can be difficult. The Portable Drilling Guide helps you achieve accurate results using just a handheld drill. It includes multiple hardened steel guides in common sizes, ensuring clean and consistent holes. The non-slip base keeps the guide stable during use, while built-in markings help with proper alignment. It also centers itself on board edges, making positioning easier. In real projects, it brings precision to portable drilling. For straight, repeatable holes without heavy equipment, it offers a practical and reliable solution. Kreg Panel Carrier. When you're moving large sheets of plywood, handling them alone can be uncomfortable and risky. The Kreg panel carrier is designed to make that task easier by letting you lift and carry panels with one hand. Its clamping mechanism grips the edge securely, while soft contact surfaces help prevent damage to the material. The ergonomic handle improves comfort and control during transport. It supports common panel thicknesses and is simple to attach and remove. For safer and more manageable sheet handling, it provides a practical solution for both workshops and job sites. Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip. When you're building joints, switching between drilling a pilot hole and driving a screw can slow your workflow. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip combines both functions into one tool, allowing you to drill and drive without changing bits. One end creates the pilot hole and counterbore, while the other drives the screw. Simply flip to switch between tasks. The quick change design keeps the process smooth and efficient. In real projects, it reduces interruptions and keeps your focus on the build. For faster assembly with fewer tool changes, it offers a simple and effective solution. Cabinet Hardware Jig. When you're installing handles or knobs across multiple cabinet doors, even a small misalignment becomes noticeable. The Cabinet Hardware Jig helps you drill perfectly positioned holes with built-in guides and adjustable stops for consistent spacing. Once set, you can repeat the same layout across every door and drawer without remeasuring. The edge guide ensures proper positioning, while the design works with standard drills for easy use. In real projects, it improves both speed and accuracy. For clean, professional-looking hardware installation, it provides reliable and repeatable results. Portable Crosscut. When you need accurate crosscuts on boards without a full workshop setup, measuring and marking every cut can slow you down. The Portable Crosscut Guide simplifies that by helping you cut at precise 45 or 90-degree angles using your circular saw. The built-in cut line indicator shows exactly where the blade will pass, reducing mistakes. Anti-slip pads keep the guide stable during operation, improving safety and accuracy. It works with different saw orientations, making it easy to use. For quick and precise crosscuts on the go, it delivers consistent and reliable results. Kreg Track Horse Tool. When you're setting up a workspace on-site or in a small shop, stability and flexibility can make a big difference. The Kreg Track Horse tool works as a sawhorse, work support, and clamping station in one system. Its adjustable height allows you to match different working positions, while the folding design makes transport and storage simple. Built from durable materials, it can support heavy loads when used in pairs. Integrated clamping features help keep your workpiece steady during cutting or assembly. For a versatile and portable work setup, it provides reliable support wherever you work. That brings us to the end of these smart woodworking tools designed to improve accuracy, save time, and simplify your workflow. If any of these tools stood out to you, you'll find all the Amazon links in the description. Let me know in the comments which one you'd add to your workshop, and don't forget to like and subscribe to AU Techverse for more practical tools and tech that truly make a difference.